November is a beautiful time to be in the garden in Queensland. It's lovely and warm, there's still heaps of colour around and everything's growing. There's lots to do and here's a few ideas to get you started. November's a great time to lay turf. You've got beautiful warm soil temperatures and you've got high rainfall, so fantastic time if you're thinking of putting it down. A good all-rounder is Sir Walter Buffalo. It's tough, soft and good looking. It doesn't need a lot of water and it's shade tolerant. It's also pretty low maintenance. November would be a great time to plant dianthus, so you've got a beautiful fragrant plant with blue-green foliage. They take full sun and are really well suited to rockeries and borders. Loved by birds and butterflies, long flowering pentas thrive in full sun or part shade. Gora, also known as butterfly bush, is a great asset to the garden. This hardy perennial likes full sun and well-drained soil. Plant in a pot or in a border. Ixoras thrive in tropical or subtropical areas. Give them a little shelter from the sun and they'll reward you with clusters of pretty flowers. If you're not sure what to plant, come into store, talk to one of the garden experts. We'd really love to help you. November's a great time to be getting your edibles into your veggie patch. So you could be looking at putting in chilies and capsicums, they love the heat. Be sure to select heat-tolerant varieties of lettuce and tomatoes if they're still on your planting list. Ask in store if you need further advice about which ones to pop in. I love our perfect plant promise. So all of our plants, excluding our seedlings, have a 12-month warranty. So if you're not happy in any way, please bring in the plant, bring in your receipt, and we'll give you your money back. There's nothing nicer than harvesting veggies from your own garden. This month you might be looking at picking lettuce, bananas, beans, onions and tomatoes. In November in Queensland, there's heaps of maintenance to do in your garden. You could be doing things like fertilising your veggie beds. So remember that the more nutrients that your plants can uptake, the more nutrients you'll be eating when you harvest them. If you've got some fallow veggie beds, now's the time to put in manure and compost. Have it ready for yourself in December. Watch out for nasty weeds like bindi, oxalis and dandelions around the yard. Pull them by hand or use a hand tool to remove. Plants tend to dry out quickly at this time as the weather warms up, so keep a water watch. Drench areas that need it. As the humidity increases, keep an eye out for pests, mould and mildew. Pop into store for advice on how to treat any pest and disease problems. Make the most of the warm spring weather in November. You'll really reap the rewards later on. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go back to the website.